Today we're gonna cook shrimps, and I'm gonna fry it together with the garlic. I have 3 cloves of garlic here that I've minced. So I'm gonna saute it with this farm fresh shrimp. I don't know how many are in here. So I'm gonna just clean it up, and I'm gonna fry it together with the garlic, and all I need to put together with this as I'm frying it is salt and pepper. And as soon as I brown them together with the garlic, I'm going to put some chili sauce. Okay, so that and this. Okay, it looks really healthy big shrimps here. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this up and remove some of the hair. Clean it up. Okay. And we will contain it with that. And maybe there. This here. Okay. There's some whiskers. I'll wash it later after I've removed the whiskers and sharp edges. We are spoiled, and I traveled to Europe with all kinds of paella, seafood, gumbo, and all those European food. International food. They had us available at Holland, America. Very nice reception. Very nice worker, admirable, very nice people that work there. They have Filipino cook, Romeo. Spoiled that with some Filipino food. We have sinigang, pork belly sinigang, Monday with rice. And then another day we had lechon kawali. With lechon kawali we had fish. We had fish, sweet and sour fish. And there's another one I'm trying to remember that they gave us. I'm gonna wash this up. So we have it washed. Now we're gonna leave the head on, skin on, all that on, everything on for this special dish that I'm making. I'm gonna brown the garlic. Okay, there are 3 cloves of garlic in there that I've minced. Put it together with our chili sauce. Okay. And get my gears together here. And so this is all we need for this dish. Okay, salt and pepper, chili sauce, and garlic. And then I'm cooking it in coconut oil.